Hello, my name is Diego Alexander Vizquino Guevara, and today I am going to tell about my dream life in 10 years. I am from the program Professional and Safari at Work. Question number one: where will your life in 10 years? I will live in a comfortable house in Colombia. I want a quiet and safe place. Number two, what job will you hate? Mm, I will be an occupational health and safari professional. I will work in a company. It help people stay safe at work. Number three, what will daily life be like? My daily life will be organized, um, will work during the day and spend time with my family in the evening. Number four, what will you be up to do? I will be up to travel, learn and things and grow professionally. Number five, what will you enjoy the most? Mm, I will enjoy my hobbies and the time with my family. Number six, what won't you do? I want I want not worrying outside or stressful conditions. What place will you visit? Number seven. Number seven. I will visit different cities in Colombia and maybe out countries. Number eight. What will relationship be like in your life? Me, my relationships will be strong and respectful. I will have a good relationship with my family and friends. Be out countries. Number 10. How will, how do you think cities will be like in the future? I think cities will be more modern and technological. Third will be more smart building and better transportation. Number 7. Number 11. How do you think relationships will be like in the future? Family, labor, social? Mm, I think relationships will be more digital but as imports imports people will stay connected through technology, but family will is be very important. Number 12. 12. How will you think hopes will be like in the future? I think hopes will be more technological. Many people will work with computer and machines. Some jobs will disappear, but new jobs will be created. Number 11, 12, number 13. And your free time, pardon, what will you do in your free time? In my free time, I will relax, watch movies, and spend time with my family. Number 14, under 13. 14. What goal will you achieve? I will achieve my professional goals and have a straight life. Thank you so much. Goodbye.